If meal prep feels like it takes longer than actually cooking, you're definitely not alone. Chopping onions, slicing potatoes, and shredding vegetables by hand can quickly turn dinner into a frustrating chore. But what if one compact kitchen tool could handle almost all of those jobs in just a few minutes? Today, we're taking a closer look at the Ourokhome 12-in-1 vegetable chopper to see if it actually lives up to the hype. The Ourokhome Vegetable Chopper is designed for busy families, home cooks, meal preppers, and anyone who wants to spend less time cutting vegetables and more time enjoying their food. It combines multiple kitchen tools into one compact unit, functioning as a vegetable chopper, mandoline slicer, dicer, grater, and more. If you're interested, you can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the chopper feels surprisingly well thought out. The blue and white design looks clean and modern without taking up much counter space. Instead of filling your kitchen drawer with separate slicers and graters, everything comes together in one organized system. The collection container underneath catches your chopped vegetables, helping keep the countertop clean instead of scattering food everywhere. The handle feels comfortable to hold, and the included handguard adds an extra layer of safety when working with the sharper blades. One of the biggest highlights is the variety of interchangeable blades. Rather than simply offering different cutting styles for the sake of marketing, each blade has a practical purpose. You get options for slicing, large and small dicing, coarse and fine shredding, crinkle cutting, mashing, plus an egg separator and drain basket. That flexibility makes it useful whether you're preparing salad ingredients, slicing potatoes for homemade fries, shredding carrots, or dicing onions for soup. In everyday use, this is where the Ourokhome really starts to shine. Chopping vegetables that would normally take 10 or 15 minutes can often be finished in just a few minutes with consistent results. Onions, cucumbers, carrots, potatoes, zucchini, peppers, tomatoes, and many other vegetables pass through the blades quickly when they're properly sized. The sharp stainless steel blades do most of the work, meaning you don't need excessive force for many ingredients. That can make meal prep much less tiring, especially if you're cooking for a family several times a week. Another thing worth mentioning is how much cleaner the process feels. Since the vegetables fall directly into the 1.7-liter container, there's less mess across your cutting board and countertop. When you're making salads or preparing several ingredients at once, this small detail actually makes cleanup noticeably easier. Most of the removable parts rinse clean without much effort, although washing the blades carefully is important because they're genuinely very sharp. Of course, no product is perfect. Hard vegetables may require a bit more pressure than softer ones, and you'll get the best results by cutting larger vegetables into smaller sections before using the chopper. Like many manual mandolin-style tools, there's a slight learning curve while figuring out which blade works best for different foods. Storage can also take a little organization since there are multiple accessories included. Fortunately, once you become familiar with the system, using it becomes much faster and more intuitive. Compared to similarly priced vegetable choppers from brands like Full Star or Mueller, the Ourokhome stands out by offering a generous selection of cutting attachments along with practical extras like the drain basket and egg separator. While premium models may use slightly heavier-duty materials, this one delivers impressive versatility and value for everyday home cooking without stretching your budget. Overall, the Ourokhome 12-in-1 vegetable chopper is an excellent choice for people who cook regularly, meal prep every week, or simply want to reduce the time spent chopping vegetables. If you only cook occasionally, a basic knife may still be enough. But if you're preparing fresh ingredients almost every day, this tool can save a surprising amount of time while keeping your kitchen cleaner and more organized. If you're looking for a faster, easier way to handle meal prep without spending a fortune, the Ourokhome Vegetable Chopper is definitely worth considering. If you'd like to check the latest price or see current availability, you'll find the link in the description below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.